Welcome back to the lecture series on repertory. I am Dr. Kedarnath Longani. I am a MD homeopath. Today we are going to see the topic fundamentals, which were accepted by Boenninghausen but preached by our master Dr. Hahnemann. Which are these fundamentals are there? It is a patient who is ill, not his parts and organs. Nothing can be known about the disease except signs and symptoms. Symptoms furnish the only unfailing guide in the selection of remedy. Peculiar, characteristic, individualizing symptoms of the case, not the common symptoms, denote the simillimum. The remedy is hardly ever indicated by a single symptom, however peculiar it is. Therefore, in Boenninghausen's method, a case is considered from the group of aspect of location, sensation, modalities, and concomitants. He considered the totality is to be represented by the sum total of all the characteristics features of the case, which helps to distinguish one particular patient from another, suffering from an apparently similar condition. Therefore, it was the group that was important than the individual symptom. In Kant's method, the symptoms and remedies both are graded. In Boenninghausen's method, only the remedies are graded and evaluated by printing them in different types.